Today we're at St. Mary's College. We're enjoying this magical weekend.
We're at St. Mary's College for our 10-year reunion.
It's been 20 years since I've been back with my roommates, and it has been just a phenomenal time.
We're here for our 50th college reunion, and we just can't believe it.
We were like, this is it. It's 20 years. We're going to live in a dorm again together, and we're back in the third annex in Lamont, which is where we started as freshmen.
I feel like you're coming back to a place that you have roots that will always be there.
We spent many hours reflecting and enjoying and just hit the ground running, right exactly where we were before.
I just feel at home. This is just a welcoming place where you just feel comfortable being yourself.
It's great seeing old friends, even classmates that I maybe didn't know that well.
Being back on campus and seeing all the changes that have happened have been extraordinary.
We're always bells, and it transcends everything, and I think our Blessed Mother has a lot to do with that.
There's more excitement than anything that these new opportunities for women going forward.
It was really nice to just be back and feel like 10 years haven't even passed.
Reunion is when we come back, however soon you can make it, and come home. Come home to St. Mary's.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. Welcome home.
Welcome home.